green bubble versus blue bubble debate might be coming to a close.
Might? Oh, sweet summer child, in no way, shape, or form is the blue bubble, green bubble thing over.
Because Apple finally did what I thought they would never do. They're adopting RCS. See, the reason why texting between Android and iPhone was so bad for so long is because Apple was still using SMS, which is decades old.
That's not quite true, is it? See, the way you've positioned it there to your viewers, you're giving them the impression that Apple has not indeed had an advanced messaging service since 2011. This was well before Android even haphazardly got into RCS with Lollipop in about 2015. Back then, and even up until now, RCS was nothing but a melange of carrier-competing, user-aggressive, fragmented substandards that had no business being called a standard, let alone Apple adopting it. Hell, Google didn't even use RCS fully across its platform until 2020. And even then, it didn't support end-to-end encryption, which is a key component of most major and modern messaging platforms, including Apple's iMessage. And the only way they've been able to get end-to-end encryption for RCS is by making up their own extension to it, one that Apple has outright rejected, and in favor will help the GSMA in implementing RCS properly.
Which they obviously did intentionally to make Android look bad.
To make Android look bad? Come on, it was 2011. SMS and MMS was still the most robust, widely accepted way to send messages cross-platform. And then considering the terrible state of RCS up until only very recently, in no way was Apple gonna wade into that muck.
But now, after years of Google begging Apple to adopt RCS and regulators trying to force Apple to adopt RCS, they finally did it. This means better group chats, location sharing, read receipts, higher quality images.
You are right. With Apple finally adopting RCS, messaging is going to get much better cross-platform. But if you think Google did this out of the goodness of their hearts, you've got another thing coming. The only reason Google has been pushing for Apple to adopt RCS is they seem to be under the impression that iPhone users are suddenly going to come flocking to Android when they suddenly get rid of the blue bubble, green bubble thing, ending up in lots more people to be in their advertising juggernaut. And Apple damn well knows what marketing gold they have with keeping the blue bubble, green bubble thing going on. And they sure the hell ain't getting rid of that anytime soon.